Hello. I was just saying how I feel like Millie, the cat, is my spirit animal. What'd you do today, Millie? She just slept all day. That's what she said. But she's super sweet. She's. Oh, and this is Friday the dog. Friday, you have anything to say? He said he just took a shower and he's angry. You a good boy. Yes, you are. They are siblings. She's 3 years old. Friday's 11. He's a senior pup. She's super chill, but she likes her space, but she likes being around, and I feel like that's me. And then there's a doggy. He is the complete opposite. He wants to be all over your face and in your space. Yep. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.